Hey everyone, Duran here again, just doing another video, and this time it's on how to create teams within your Quickblog account. So just a quick word of note, you will need to upgrade your account from Forever Free to either a premium plan or an agency plan, and then you will have access to see the team settings and the account settings within your own account and within your own plan. So without that, let's say if you're the Forever Free plan, you will need to upgrade to have access to teams and sub accounts. And of course, if you've already upgraded to premium or agency, then you'll have access to that. So first thing you want to do then, click on the team settings. And then very easily, as you can see, it's as simple as creating a team there, give it a team name, whatever you want. In this case, let's say I've got one that's called Quickblog main in my own account. And this one has access to one of my sub accounts, which I've created. And if you had multiple sub accounts that you've already set up, and we'll show you how to do that in another video as well. And then you can give access to that team just by multi-selecting. So whether using Command or Shift or whatever it is at that point. But in the interest of time, what we'll do is we'll go into one that's already been created in my account. So I'll click on the edit button, and you'll see there we've got the team name that's already specified, so Quickblog main. And again, this is the only sub account or main account that I've created within my own dashboard and my own user area. And if of course, I have multiple ones, then I could literally deselect or select the ones which I want access to within the right-hand side. So that's it. Once you've done that and you click away, then that's automatically saved. So you don't need to, click any save buttons at that point. And then the next thing to do is just to add a user. So invite a user to your team, and then that way they would have access to that specific account or sub account or number of accounts within the list there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to invite one of my email addresses here. And you'll see I've got different roles. So an admin will have access to be able to generally administer all of the admin stuff within the account, except for doing things like adding payments or changing plans. That's the only thing that they won't be able to do. And then the content editor can go and schedule content. They can create content. They can pretty much do anything else that's relative to, things like the setup of the blog itself, like the layout and the settings itself. And then the content writer can only create content within the platform. So that would obviously need to be overseen potentially by a content writer. So in this case, I'll give myself content writer access. Click on the add user button. You do get a little prompt that says, don't close the window. But as you can see, it's pretty quick. And then within, let's say, a couple of seconds or so, I should be getting an email. And just to show you what that looks like. So here we go. That one's popped up. And you can see here, we've got Quickblog invitation. I've been invited to join my blog as content writer for Team Quickblog. So all I'd have to do is go into that email, click on that link, and then I'm accepted. And as you can see, there's the status which is shown there as pending. But of course, if there was maybe a mistake, you created that role accidentally, and you wanted to change the role even before they've accepted, you can actually go back into that user's invitation and go and edit that. Let's say at that point you want to change it to content editor, but I'll leave that as content writer, update user, and then that goes back to, again, the main user screen. So that's how simple it is to create a team and add users to that team. There's no limits to the number of teams and also users that you have access to your account once you have a premium or agency plan. And yeah, you can go and start creating those teams and users already straight away. So if you've got any questions, drop them in the Facebook group or send an email to help@quickblog.co, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. And that's it for now.